The Voice of the People Party VPP leaders proceeded with their planned protest, calling for the reinstatement of Meghalaya Lokayukta officers. This coincided with Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Shillong on the 19th of January 2024 for the North Eastern Council's plenary session. During their journey to peacefully demonstrate at the main Secretariat Building in Shillong, VPP leaders including Mawlai MLA Brightstar Marbaniang, MP candidate and VPP General Secretary Dr. A J Syngkon were halted by magistrates and police officers near the Deputy Commissioner's office. An altercation ensued, leading to defiance from VPP leaders who forcefully made their way through the police cordon toward the Meghalaya Secretariat to join North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum, who had already reached the venue earlier.
And it's going nowhere.
Corruption practices dibayar hindi mo permission permission.
Just right from the start, we said just allow us to just go through.
So how can you report the
one more thing.
Let it even
clarify it.
Let it even go up to the thing belum seperti. You respect the
We have that kind of respect.
What is there?
Just one.
Chief Minister, everyone is there. We have been waiting for so long. If they are serious enough, they should have sent a message whether yes or no, so that we will understand. Otherwise, there's no seriousness from their side also. But our intention is very clear. We have received instructions. Violation of 144 in itself is, if there is more than people should say. So we are going just three of us. Just MLAs are going. Just MLAs are going.